So let's turn our hands like a little flower. Yeah. Take one and the other one down. Take your left leg out and sit. We smile. Rotate your hands. Bring them to the middle and smile. Going backwards and trying to get up smoothly and bring the hands together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Music, please. Okay? Stop. Very good. So the next one now we'll do, we were here, we were taking the step. We'll be taking both hands to each side as you are holding a candle in both hands. And then we'll go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And when we come back, we take our hands to other side. Again turn our hands into a diya and we go in the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Remember, we're enjoying the dance and we're going to keep smiling. Okay? Music, please. Sorry, miss kar diya. So first one was this, because I teach so many different steps. Then we got this, and then we did that one right, and then we bring it back, and we went like that, and then we went. I think this time music came first, and then we did this, this, and this. Yeah, no, I was right. It was the fault of husband. So again, we'll go. Turn your hands. The way down, smile at us, move your hand.
If you know the song, then you can just sing the song. That Padharo will come here.
Yeah, and then Padharo will come there. You keep bringing it back and trying to get up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Both sides. And then you go back this way. Then, yeah. Okay. Music, please. Well done. Very good. So shall we do it once again? Yeah? Now straight on the music. done.